Hey y'all, I just wanted to touch base with y'all, give you a quick update. Apologize for the lack of content over the past few weeks, but if you know me, then you know I'm more about quality over quantity. With that said, I hope y'all season's been more productive than mine because it seems like every single hit list buck I have is up and vanished off my property. Now I did have a mature buck come in on an early rut hunt, but his right main beam was busted, so I let him walk and he'll live to fight another day. Now with that said, I ain't coming to y'all empty-handed today. My buddy Slayer, which y'all know from the comedy skits, is a good friend of mine, and he's a damn good hunter. He's just got one small problem. The boy will shoot about anything that walks, which, that's why we call him Slayer. But I will give him credit, because he's passed up on a lot of deer this year that he would have otherwise shot in the past, and he did get him a nice buck on the ground the other day. Now he told me I could poke some fun of him, but who are we to judge another man for what he will and won't shoot? Alright, before I turn y'all over to Slayer and what I call the flood buck hunt, just want to let you know that the day after tomorrow, me and my brother will be heading out of town for a week on a quota hunt. So the next time you see me, maybe it'll be putting a big old buck on the ground. Thank y'all for watching. We'll see you next time.
Hey y'all, just now getting filming light. Got in here a little late, but that's because there's a dang thunderstorm rolled through here. And I'm talking about it come down, it come down. It flooded this whole creek bottom. What we're hunting here is got a swamp to the right of me that pretty much divides the property. And these bucks are starting to cruise. They like cruise up down the edge of this swamp checking for does. Got a beaver dam crossing right here too that they usually come across, but right now it's underwater. Got a few does coming through here too. I'm hoping they might mess up and get a little too close. If they do, I want to send one. Let's get the hunt. Well, I just got one. I don't know if it's any good on film, but I got one. That deer come in and swim across the creek. And I hit my grunt call a couple of times and he come running right back. Swim across the creek again. Come across right that beaver dam. I was hoping they'd get up and start moving. He was cruising definitely looking for those. He ain't big, but I've let about 20 deer walk. Well, probably in about 3 weeks. told my grandma this morning before I left, I said, if something comes by me, I am shooting. I guess you let 20 walk, you deserve to shoot one, right? Alright, let's get back to hunt again. Maybe something else will come through here. Hey y'all. Well, it's been about 2 hours since I shot that beast earlier today. I normally sit around and wait till about 12 o'clock, but man, I'm just tore up. I can't wait. I'm gonna go down here and see if I can't put my hands on him. Y'all wish me luck.